questions we get asked here at Floors For You is, what's the difference between solid wood and engineered wood? Well, hopefully this will help you make the choice. So solid wood is a single solid piece of kiln-dried timber made into a plank, usually with a tongue and groove that needs to be stuck to the subfloor. A much trickier job to fit, but once it's down, it's a floor for life. Now, engineered floor is becoming ever more popular and consists of multiple layers applied that are then cross-length for added strength and finished off with a top layer of a selected type of wood. Actually makes it more stable than solid wood. It also makes it much more suitable for certain rooms where solid wood wouldn't really be recommended. However, it does look and feel just like solid wood, as the top layer is the same. Solid wood can't be fit in rooms where moisture might affect it, and it's also a good idea not to put it in rooms that have drastic temperature changes throughout the year. Conservatories are a big no-go with solid wood, and it can't be used with underfloor heating. So engineered might be the better option if you're doing a whole ground floor and want to run it through. With hundreds of choices in store and online, we are sure we can provide the best real wood flooring for you.